How has life changed since the Owltron camera?
Well, I've noticed Joe's cooking has improved drastically.
Pepper, Joe. More pepper.
Even the house is tidier now.
You missed the spot. Just to the right of you, darling.
Well, Joe can finally find his keys. He also sleeps more soundly at night because of the outdoor camera.
And how about you?
No, get
down. Don't. No.
No.
Stop.
Leave it.
Leave it.
No, not again.
He's gone again.
Robbie!
The Owltron camera's 355 degrees horizontal and 107 vertical rotation makes it simple to capture wandering toddlers and misbehaving pets throughout the house. Clear 1080p HD for day and night vision. Motion detection and recording. And for all the self-proclaimed interior designers, this camera looks great in any room. A two-way speaker system allows for better communication. I'm going now, guys. Good luck.